Coinciding with the ongoing 77th UN General Assembly session in New York, the world is observing International Day of Peace today, which is meaningless for around 15 million Kashmiris who are facing the worst state terrorism let loose by India in occupied Jammu and Kashmir for the past 75 years. A report released by Kashmir Media Service in connection with the day today said that day-to-day killings, including that of top resistance leaders Sayyid Ali Gilani and Muhammad Ashraf Sehrai in fake encounters and in custody, mocked the global celebrations of the Peace Day. The report maintained that 21st September is dedicated to the global peace, but the same continues to elude South Asia for the past more than 7 decades due to the free license enjoyed by the brutal Indian occupation troops to carry out massacre of the Kashmiri people with impunity. Indian forces' actions are no less than a holocaust in the occupied territory. Over 4,000 Kashmiris, including APHC senior leadership, are facing illegal detentions while the world community is tight-lipped and witnessing with criminal silence the turning of occupied Jammu and Kashmir into a big concentration camp by the RSS-backed Modi government. APHC leaders Abdul Ahad Para, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Dr. Museb, Jammu and Kashmir People's League, in their separate statements issued in Srinagar, urged heads of states participating in the ongoing UN General Assembly session to unanimously raise the voice of prosecution of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his henchmen for war crimes in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They warned that India was endangering the regional as well as global peace by resorting to the nefarious tactics to change the demographic composition of the territory. India's ruthless state investigation agency continued raids for the second consecutive day today in different areas of Srinagar, Baramulla, Islamabad, Kulgam and Jammu areas. The SIA sleuths are particularly targeting the residences of Jamaat-e-Islami activists and offices of welfare institutions during the raids. Indian police arrested a youth during a protest against the Indian film crew of Imran Hashmi's starrer Ground Zero in South Kashmir's Islamabad district. The police used brute force on the protesters who shouted slogans against the Indian film shooting members in the Pahalgam area of the district. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, addressing a party convention at Batot in Ramban district, assailed the Narendra Modi-led India's Hindutva government for wielding delimitation as a weapon to establish its hegemony in the territory. He said the geographical argument put forth by the New Delhi's constituted Delimitation Commission for Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in carving out new constituencies was just a smokescreen, and the real aim was to benefit the fascist BJP government. He said BJP stands exposed for its duplicity, deception and self-centered agenda, which has taken a heavy toll on the people's life.